He is unboxing his new toy.
It's my dream mower, guys. I mean, look, this is the battery charger. That is a battery. That's what I'm talking about. Pull it in, and then watch this. Pull this.
It's so quiet.
Check it out, buddy.
Okay, try it out. Put it on the grass.
See you later. Hold on.
Johnny's having fun with his new toy. He's just running over all of the weeds and stuff. Do you love it?
Push the button. Push that on button. That's the power for the battery.
Ooh, it turned green.
Now, just these two. Other trimmers, you have to go, and you're like trying to hold this while you're doing it. But not this. You just go. Look out. Welcome to your new favorite vlog. I'm so excited. Since this is an electric mower, you don't have to put gas in it ever. You don't have to do oil or anything like that. It's just a battery that you charge and throw it in. As simple as this to start it. In, okay, and when that's held down, you pull this little lever up. With a lawnmower this cool, they had to have a name like Ego, because their ego's probably huge from making such a dope mower. So once you push this button in, and then fire up the blade by pulling this. While that's held and the mower's going, by holding this, all you gotta do is go like this and pull that in, and it goes forward. See, watch. Just pulls for you, so that's why it says self-propelled right there. And you can choose to have it go faster if you want. That was on the lowest setting. If you wanted it to go faster, you just go push that up. Now watch. I am obsessed. We also got this, the Ego trimmer. We had to keep the same brand, right? Just looks cool. All you do is squeeze both of these triggers. Okay, ready? Squeeze this one in first, and then when you're ready, you see these green clips? Pop those out, push it in. See how much shorter it just got? Now it's ready to pop back in. And then you can grab this little lever right here to squeeze it in, fold it up, take the bag off, and you have your mower ready to store in a small area. Look how easy that was. And the last thing I want to note is right here, these are some bright LED lights, so you can mow at night. Let me show you really quick how the battery works. You just lift that up and then push this button if you want the battery out. See how it pops up? You can just grab it and just slide it right onto this puppy, and immediately starts charging. You guys, this mower is the best. Now I gotta show you how awesome this thing is. The Ego trimmer. Squeeze here, squeeze there. You're on the vlog.
So that's that. Johnny loves his new mower, and he's covered in grass from the weed whacker thing. But we love the mower so much. We highly recommend it because, I mean, what lawnmower can you mow at night and not wake up neighbors because it's so quiet and there's a nice light on it? That alone. So I just want to show you how easy it is for Johnny. Look, he's putting the mower away. Bink! Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that it did that. Look, can't really follow him too much. And now look, he's carrying it upstairs like it's like just like a suitcase. Like so simple. Oh, that's our lovely yawn. Yawn? That's our lovely yawn today, guys. Our lawn is lovely. Oh, I'm going crazy. I maybe need food.